Look how easy it is to make money in crypto. So I answered one question and I just made $2.50. I'm gonna finish this joint. So this one right here didn't even look at all this stuff. I know most of this by heart. What is a zero knowledge proof? A way of providing something without revealing information itself. That's one answer for it. A technology that helps integrate AI and blockchain. A way to store data without using encryption. Encrypt is where you reveal all data so everyone can verify it. I believe that's the answer. Zero knowledge proof. Okay, check the answer. I don't know why it's not working. Correct. Okay, knew I wasn't tripping. I don't even have to study this stuff. It's too easy for me. Look at that. Easy money. Don't even have to look at this stuff. Do Alio programs require gas fees to run? I don't believe so. It's not Ethereum. Easy money. I ain't got to look at this neither. How can zero knowledge ZK technology enhance healthcare research? By allowing patients to selectively disclose only necessary information, by making all patients' data publicly accessible for transparency, by requiring patients to share all their medical data with researchers, by sharing patient data with multiple healthcare providers without consent. I think it's this one. It's a no-brainer. It's too fucking easy. Easy money. Download and fund Leo wallet. Now you get $12 if you do this. Now remember, it says fund the wallet. You gotta put some bread in there. Who cares? Maybe $5 is the minimum. Who cares? You're making $12. Let's open it up. Create new wallet. Now, if you press and hold that button right there, then you can see the seed phrase. You have to save that seed phrase. I'm not gonna let you see mine, but I'm gonna save it. Copied it to the clipboard. Alright, so now I backed it up. Oh, okay, cool, my bad. I thought that was showing my seed phrase. They actually scramble it up, and now I have to verify it in order so that they'll know that I saved it and I know the actual seed phrase. So I'm gonna unscramble this to verify my seed phrase, and then I'll be right back. Set up your password. Continue. Choose your default transaction type. Really don't know much of the difference here, but I know this one looks like it settles much faster. So I'm gonna go with the first one. And my wallet is ready. Now all I gotta do is fund it. I don't care about Discord. Maybe I'll sign up for their Twitter. Follow and turn on notifications. Usually people follow these pages. A lot of crypto alpha. So I'll follow all. Next, I'm gonna go back. Okay, so now this is going all over Twitter. I don't know what's happening here. There we go. Now get started. And there you have it. Now what I could do is fund my wallet with the money they just gave me in Alio. So we go back. Close that, close that. Go there. Let's see. Okay, already copied this. Again, we put receive. Copy that. My bad. back to Coinbase. Earned $12 in rewards. Now go to my account. You see the alio they gave me right here. Just made that in the past few minutes. Transfer, send, paste from clipboard, maximum amount. Send now. Confirm passkey. And there you have it. And I funded the account that quick. Pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to go back here and you go to rewards and continue on Alio. Now total reward is $33 for all of these. You see I'm here at the $12 joint, so we're going to finish that. Start. Already did that. Let's update the account here. Try to restart. We see. Let me do this. Close it out. Let's reopen this wallet again. Got a message. We dropped $12 into your Alio. See that quick? Just for completing that task. Easy money. Gonna open up my Alio or Leo wallet here. And this is the new password I just set up. You just seen me set up the account here. Okay. Now, remember Coinbase just dropped another $12 in my account. Now you already did this. I'm sorry. Let me go back. They're going to keep sending me to the same page here. Let me go back to Coinbase. We got that reward. So, is that it for Alio? Continue. Download. Already did that. Funded the account. Confirm my wallet balance. Earn $12 reward for completing the quest. Rewards may take up to 24 hours. Well, it did this time. Let me go back. And there goes the other $12. We'll do this. We'll transfer that to paste. Okay. Okay, there you go. Maximum amount. Send now. And that quick, I got the confirmation. Once again, put in my code. And there you have it. Took a small 7 cents to make the transaction happen. We update this page here. This balance should zero out as I just sent it to this account. Let's try closing that. Open up Leo again. And look at that, $21.88. All from learning on Coinbase. You can just go to Coinbase, go to the squares in the top left corner, go down to rewards. And I still got 5 lessons left on Alio. Not even going to study it. I think I know most of the stuff. Not trying to be cocky or nothing, but you may even be able to just use my answers to breeze through it. But it is smart for you to study it and understand it, and it will make a lot more sense. So we're going to connect the wallet here. Confirm. You can stake it. Wow. That's beautiful. That means I'll be making money off of this money they just gave me just by locking it up. There goes the confirmation. Another $3 reward. Coinbase. 656, 656. See, these rewards started coming in from 6:35 until now. Let me clear this out. Dismiss. All transactions sent. So it locked that Alio up. Go back to Coinbase. Now, I think I did this already. Let me see. Let's go back again. Liquid staking, you are here. Open staking XYZ. Connect your wallet. Initiate stake transaction. Confirm transaction. There you go. More details there. You can see here the activity in my Leo wallet. I received this when I sent it to myself. These two transactions. Now I locked it up. And it said start generating more Leo. NFTs can be held here. And you got settings. Now I don't know what more they want me to do here, but we got our $3 reward. Let's move on to the next one. It's locked. Okay, so let's see something here before I can move on to the next one. What you'll do. Verify your PA Leo balance. Wait for staking XYZ's confirmation and verify your balance in your wallet. Okay. Okay, click to see details. Verify activity. And there you go. There's the on-chain activity telling you exactly what happened. Cool. I think it said PA Leo. So that's probably what they want me to verify this here. There we go, the on-chain activity. Then we can look at this. This looks like a stable coin. So I believe I verified the balance here now. I only have one account. It looks like you can have multiple accounts here. And this is the mainnet. This is live. This is real. This is active. People are getting busy right now. Okay, that's it. That's all I had to do to complete that. Now we can move on to the next one. What are tokenomics? I don't even have to read this. Start the quiz. How do you define tokenomics? The economic system of a cryptocurrency. The analysis of how tokens are used for identity verification. The study of legal regulations surrounding cryptocurrency. All of the transactions on a blockchain. It's the economic system of a cryptocurrency. Another dollar. There goes the transaction. Dropped into my wallet. On to the next one. I don't have to study this. What is the role of stakers in the Alio network? to solve proof of, I don't know what SW is, POSW Coinbase puzzles to lock up all tokens and help validate a security network. I believe that's the best answer so far. To run nodes and validate transactions. To write zero knowledge logic for decentralized apps. Told you, too easy. $1 added to my account. Skip it, skip it, skip it. What does staking XYZ allow users to do? Develop decentralized apps, exchange cryptocurrencies for fiat, play games and earn rewards, monitor and manage their staking positions. Now, let's see here. It's certainly not exchange cryptocurrencies for fiat. It's not play games and earn rewards. More than likely, it looks like monitor and manage their staking positions. There you go, another dollar, easy money. And I'm giving you the shortcut. You ain't even gotta try to study or figure it out, but I recommend you do. Now, I haven't even looked to see what they're asking of me on this one, but I'm just going to continue on with this one. Confirm my connection. Public and private. Oh no, I don't want no VUSD. I don't care for stable coins. But maybe they're asking you to do that just to get the reward. So I don't know. Okay. Oh, okay. I was about to say, let's see. $1.44 per unit. Yeah, well, you see, I moved my crypto to a different wallet, so for staking. And let's see. Open Arcane Finance before you begin. Check your Alio balance. You would need at least 1.5 Alio. Okay, so we can do that. So what I'm gonna do here is we'll go to Coinbase. Right, I'm already on Coinbase. We're gonna back it up. We'll go to Alio. Looks like we still have $5 worth here. Now, let me go back. I apologize. I forgot what they're asking of me. Go back to rewards. See what it says. Continue the lesson. Swap on Arcane. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I connected my wallet. See if there's a way to send it straight to here. Okay, you do some stuff on here. There's my Alio. Click on that. I'm trying to see address, how to receive my coin here. Transfer. Go to public Alio. Maybe that'll change it. So it looks like the difference is receiver's address will be visible on Block Explorer, and public won't be, and this one will be visible. So that's really the difference between public and private. And the block explorers, what I showed you was the on-chain activity that gave you all the nitty-gritty details with all the extra coding and all that stuff that basically confirms whether or not the transactions went through. And that's basically public open record for anybody to see and verify. So I did everything on here, almost, but I'm just trying to figure out what's the next move. Enter amount and token choice from the available pools. Complete transaction, verify your swap transactions, press confirm. Earn $5 in Alio for completing this quest. So it's only going to take me $2 to $3 to earn $5. Try swapping tokens on Arcane Finance. Again, the struggle is real. For some reason, they won't let me use this. Let me see. Okay, so the maximum amount I have in here is, okay, so I see what it is. My bad. So what I need to do is go to my Leo wallet. The struggle is getting real. Okay. There we go. Receiving wallet. Copy that address once again. Now I go back here. Exit out of rewards. Go to Alio. Transfer. Send. Paste from clipboard. Send the maximum amount right now. Confirm my passkey. Okay. Now we go back home. Go to the dots in the top left corner. Go back to rewards. Go back to Alio. We're here. Swap on Arcane Finance. Open using my password. Wallet connected. And we'll put the max. Wait a minute, I think we gotta do a swap this time. We already did staking. Let me not play myself. Hold on. How do we? Okay. Now I'm trying to figure out how to get back to that screen. I don't think I should be staking. I mean, I could. But I don't think that's what they were asking for. In order to get the reward, let's go back again. I apologize, it can be repetitive. But hey, it's worth it. So you see, I just made $27.44 in Alio from just like answering the right questions. And you can keep doing it until you get it right. That's what's so crazy about it. next order operation is verify your swap transaction. Press confirm. Enter amount, token, and choice. Connect your wallet. Connect button in the top right. Select connect. From available pools, select between Alio / VUSD, Alio, P Alio, and P Alio versus VUSD. Enter the amount you like to swap. And that's it. I just need, it looks like it only needs a swap. Doesn't need staking. Oh, there we go. Now it's working. Okay, so I think it only requires less than that. Let me try 3. Because I'll stake whatever is not required. There we go. I got the money right there. It just looked out for me. Confirm. It don't even look like I had to finish this transaction before it went through. Get your Cyber Wizard NFT. Yeah. Are they going to give me this for free? Just by minting this NFT. You have access to Tier 2 Alio Ambassador and some others. It's going to cost me 6 Alio to mint. Depending on how many you want to mint, I guess you can mint as many as you want. Interesting. So here's what I'm going to do. Stay looking out for me. $30 earned so far. Here's what I'm going to do. Go to my portfolio. Go to Alio. Looks like it went lower on the list because the balance is lower after I took all the money out. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy $20 worth of Alio. Because I like this joint so far. Go back to my portfolio. Refresh. There goes my confirmation. Transfer. Send. Confirm with my passkey, and there you have it. Now, when I go back here, Arcane Cyber Wizard NFT collection. Let me go back. Uh-oh. How did I get there? Okay, there we go. So let me do this. Reconnect my wallet. And hopefully that will update the balance, because I definitely got more Alio in my account now. There we go. Confirm. And you basically sign the transaction digitally just by clicking confirm. Execute claim NFT pub blah blah blah. Public fee 0.3 alio. All it's gonna cost. And now that I sent $18, I commit more than one. Looks like now you've unlocked tier 4. Okay, I don't know why it won't let me change the number I commit, but hey, confirm. You see the NFT supply, there are 2,000 of them. Now, I don't know if this is the same transaction or a new one. I hope it's 2 NFTs. Stay tuned. We're going to see. There it is. Okay, so it looks like 2 of them are loading here. There's some sort of confirmation. Don't know what it is, but nevertheless, it's working at its own pace. Maybe I commit more. You can see my balance now is updated. So tier 1 leaderboard participant, 5 alio per NFT, 6 alio, 7 alio, 8 alio, 9 alio. You have access to this cohort. This tiers, this levels to this shit. You have access for tier 2 alio ambassador. Okay. This is automatically making a purchase in that tier. I don't have to adjust the settings. Who knows? These NFTs might be worth some serious money in the future. One thing I learned is you just hold. That's it. Now you've unlocked tier 4. There's a lot of data being transferred. I'm on a high power Wi-Fi. So just make sure you got some good data, and otherwise this can take a long time, especially if it's taking this long on good Wi-Fi. And there you go, it's completed. There they go. Look at my NFTs. Aren't they beautiful? And while I'm doing this, Shadow Token just went up 12% in the last 11 hours. Wow. Interesting. So, Arcane Wizards NFT collection. Okay, so it looks like I'm down to almost nothing left for Alio. Let's see if I can mint. Yeah, I would have to. It cost me more, but it looks like. Okay, so the tier 2 I purchased were 6 Alio a piece. That's okay. So we look at here. Only 10,000 unique arcade cyber wizard NFTs awaiting their owners. Time is limited. Don't miss your chance to mint your NFT and join our community. Launchpad whitelist access, which tells you when new crypto are coming out before the masses. NFT type transformation. Exclusive partner perks. Protocol free fee rewards. And staking rewards. So yeah, you may even get better staking rewards just by holding these NFTs. This shit can be very interesting. Here's all my on-chain activity. Started 34 minutes ago. And from me sending Leo to the wallet to locking it up to make money and buying NFTs. And let's look at Alio. It's actually down today, which is good. Meaning it cost me a lot less than it would have cost me before. Had I purchased Alio at $6.88. This is back September 24th. It's down a hell of a lot. And that's good. And that's what we want. But if people start to use this, look at that market cap, 388.2 million. That's nothing in the crypto world. All-time high, $6.80. Cycle low, $1.12. And that was only around November 7th. Around November 3rd when we hit the low. It looks like all this time is a good buying time considering it used to be this price. So take the dips as a blessing. Back to the lecture at hand. Go back to rewards. One lesson left. Okay, I thought I did this part already. Maybe I didn't. I got caught up, started flipping NFTs. So my $5 reward. Oh wait. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Remember, I just made $30. Easy money, answering questions, doing little tasks, and there's still $27 to earn in these other questionnaire thingies here. Here's $18 to do core, $3 for BTC, worth of BTC, rather. All right. Let's do this one more time. Now, just gonna buy $5 worth, right? Because I got sidetracked by the NFTs. Go to my portfolio. Narrow it down by going to search, transfer, send. Now I'm just waiting for the Alio to appear here, which isn't much, but I just want just enough to make a swap and claim my reward. Let's disconnect and reconnect the wallet. That may help. There you have it. You see now it says maximum amount, swap. Pay the man. Looks like the timer has about 2 to 3 minutes left. And after that, I should be getting my last $5 for Alio. A total of $33 just from answering questions and completing tasks. Now, you don't have to buy the NFTs. I chose to do that. I chose to receive the perks related to that. And there it goes. Your reward is here. And that's all complete now. Now I can close that out. And that's done. We're done with Alio. And you can see here all the questions I answered. 100% score without even trying. Not bragging, I'm just studied. Well studied. Alright, we'll come back to try core by element, X element, cross with element. That's what X usually indicates. On another video, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, answering a few questions. And you just got to have some space in your phone in order to download this, download that. I recommend you have a phone designated just for crypto because there's so many new wallets, there's so many new crypto, there's so much happening so fast that you don't want this phone to be mixed and mangled with all your other business and other activities. Just keeps it that much safer if you keep a designated device just for crypto. So we'll be back to finish the rewards later on. But right now, so far so good. And you can see right there that transaction was finally completed. Easy money, y'all. Easy money. Don't forget, tap in. Take advantage of them rewards. That's all. You heard it here first. Blockchain Bird, Early Bird Crypto. And I apologize for the audio because my phone has this case on it and it's very protective, but it's not very good for my microphone. That's all for now. Peace and love, y'all. Stay down till they come up. We all gonna make it. Blockchain Bird, I'm signing off. Peace out.